So a lot of people ask us, without preservatives, 9 months shelf life, kaise possible? Let us explain. There are 3 things that can spoil food at any given point in time, right? First is the air. Second, moisture. Third, temperature. We need to control these 3 things. How do we control moisture? We use very age-old technique of cooking. Very slow cooking, 0 to medium heat pe. Moisture reduces to bare minimum. Second is the air. How do we control air? Through our highly specialized packaging. This is vacuum sealed from all 4 places, so no air enters and nothing goes out of the pack. Third is the temperature, which we continuously maintain right from the step of cooking to the process of packaging itself. Plus, this is a 6-layer highly insulated pack, so the temperature outside does not impact the food inside. Now that we have control on all these 3 things, that's how we get the 9-month shelf life right here without any preservatives, any additives, anything at all. So CURRYiT hai, possible hai.